What's up? I'm Audi. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today we're gonna do an everyday glam / acne coverage look, so let's go. I don't know if you can tell, but right now my face is so textured. It bugs me like crazy. Before we get into the tutorial, I mean, there are a lot of reasons why we get acne, but I think specifically mine is due to stress levels, due to the fact that I started a new skincare line recently, and that I haven't been using the medication that I was supposed to be using. So I went to my dermatologist and got some new medication. I threw out all the other stuff that I was using, and my skin should be back to normal in 6 weeks, so thank you God. Yeah, right now I am wearing a little bit of concealer. I went to brunch earlier, so I just put some concealer on the redness, but it is pretty bad. Otherwise it's like really inflamed. I have a lot of texture on my forehead. My cheeks are pretty red. Yeah. Ooh, sorry, champagne does this to me. If there's one thing I could recommend to anybody with dealing with acne, it's don't pop your pimples. And you know, I know we all get into the habit of, you know, there's the pus right there, like you can see it, it's just ready, like, you know, we've all been there where we've done it. But if you're gonna pop a pimple, do not put makeup over it. That is the worst thing you could do. Putting makeup over a blemish is not gonna heal your blemish. So I'm gonna start out by further neutralizing the redness on my face by starting out with concealer. And today I'm using the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. Cover FX is like just blemish friendly, honestly. Everything is pretty high coverage and long lasting. So I think if you're looking to cover any redness or any, you know, blemishes, any discoloration, try out Cover FX. I am putting a fair amount on my face. I'm not being strict on how much product I use at a time because I want these babies covered. I'm gonna go in with my Life's a Drag palette and take Sickening and put it in the crease. Generous amount, obviously. I tend to blend my eyeshadow in like a wave because that's partially how my eye is shaped. I'm gonna take this blending brush with nothing on it and just go over the edges lightly. I'm taking the same brush that we used in the crease in the same palette, taking Mug lightly on this brush, putting it in the corner of my eye and blending it inwards and upwards on the outer part of the crease, diagonally and outwards. Then take this blending brush again with no product, blend it out. We're gonna go in with this Makeup Forever Artist Palette, pack on that black shadow, and do a wing. The fallout is real. We are going to be using false lashes today, so I'm just taking a black eyeliner. This one's by NYX. It's the Always Keeping It Tight black eyeliner. And I'm just going to line my lash line. I'm still using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. It's my favorite. I haven't found one to replace it yet. Like, this foundation is so good. I get so many compliments and so many questions every time I wear it because it just looks so natural. It is so full coverage and it's just great. I had a great Thanksgiving. I got to go to where my family is and see all of them. Had good family time. We did Thanksgiving a little different this year, which was kind of weird. But I don't know, you know, maybe we're making new traditions because we're not all together anymore, you know? Now we're going back in with that same Cover FX concealer, and I'm gonna go around my nose, on my chin, a little bit on my forehead. Taking Airspun powder and going to set my entire face with it. It's really lightweight. Right. Now for bronzer, we're going in with Makeup Geek Medium Skin Bronzer in Tawny. This is super pigmented, so I try to bounce it on my face. Otherwise, it's way too orange. Physicians Formula Bronzer, mainly this color, mixture of these and these, and contour my nose. So I always go back in with yellow powder and I straighten out, I carve out these contour lines. Still using this trusty old palette, straight across. I tend to tap it instead of swipe. It really helps straighten out and give the illusion of it being more turned up. I'm going to put some of this in the inner corner too. Put the excess under my brow. Moving on to brows, we're going to use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. One thing I have switched up recently in my makeup routine is my mascara, and when I say recently, I mean like literally yesterday. I was picking up my coffee before work and I realized that I didn't have any mascara on, and I was working a double that day and I was like, oh, I freaking need mascara. Like if I don't have mascara, I'm gonna look like a zombie. So thank God I work in a shopping center. There's this one all natural beauty skincare spa, and I go in and I'm like, I need mascara, I forgot some this morning. She let me use some, and then I was like, this is actually, I really like this, can I just buy it? And she was like, yeah, sure. So it's from this little store called Blue Mercury. I don't know if, I mean, it's probably a franchise, like, I don't know. I don't know their story. I've only been in there one time, and that was literally yesterday. But I got this Super Stellar Extreme Volume Mascara in jet black, and I like it. Now the wand is pretty big, so it's a little hard to stay clean on my lower lashes when I apply, but I don't mind too much because I do like the illusion of there being more shadows under my eyes, because that ultimately makes my eyes look bigger. Yeah, this stuff is so good. It just like glides on so easily. The lashes we're using today are by Ardell. They are the faux mink wispies. I have cut these to fit my eyeballs. These come in a pack of two 2 pairs of lashes. I've already used the heck out of the other one, so I had to throw them away. I love these. They're the perfect amount of volume and length. Let's finish out the lower lash line. We're going back into Life's a Drag and taking Sickening. And Hunty. Boom. I'm gonna take a black eyeliner and align my lower waterline. For blush, I'm going old school and dipping into my Z palette. I made this a long time ago, honestly. And right here is blushes, bronzer, and like a blush slash highlighter mix. I'm just gonna dip my brush into those 3 blushes and start by putting that like on the apples of my cheeks. It's just a different blush technique that I've been using lately. I think it gives me more of a youthful glow. Looks more natural. Oh, but we're not stopping here with the blush. This is just the start. Then we're going into my trusty old Kylie's Diary. Taking both of the blushes from there, spreading it all on the cheek. Just like you like it. Freaking love blush. Gonna finish off the eyes with mascara on top and bottom lashes. For lips, we're going in with 2 colors. Starting off with Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in Ruler. Then we're gonna go in with Anastasia's Crush Liquid Lipstick in the center, just a little. Feels so velvety. I love it. And there you have it. My everyday glam acne coverage routine. Alright, y'all. I hope you got some inspiration for your next look, or that I introduced you to some cool new products or cool new techniques. Thank you for your views and for your support and for your love. And I will catch you in the next one.